12:24 here on this Friday across the valley, and I must say there's not any big surprises in the weather today. Sunshine around, a couple of sea breeze showers might provide a little relief from the heat. I think our rain chances are small. Spotty showers could form this afternoon in just a few areas. The weekend, though, like I said, no big changes. Kind of what you see today is what goes through the weekend. Small rain chances each afternoon with the sea breeze, but otherwise, most of the time, just a few puffy clouds around. And right now, if you are headed out for lunch soon, they're getting a little hot out there. It's 96 in Rio Grande City, 93 in Weslaco, 93 in Brownsville. I think we'll easily be up in the upper 90s in many areas today, especially over Hidalgo and Starr counties, maybe even 100 or so in Starr County. Barely any wind out there to blow you down, or to cool you down. I guess to blow you down, too. If you get blown over by the wind, it won't be today. Wind speed about 7 miles per hour in McAllen, Harlingen, and in Raymondville, 12 in Port Isabel, and wind speed's probably not much more than that today. Very light winds, but that's good for the sea breeze. Usually when the winds are light, the sea breeze boundary is a little more defined. It has maybe a better chance today to kick off a couple of showers, so maybe a shower or two to cool you off. But there's almost nothing out there right now. The First 105 Doppler network overall nearly 100% dry, but when we zoom in really closely, you see just a couple of little specks of a shower just beginning to form. One right here along the Rio Grande River east of Brownsville popping up and moving to the west. That's a very small shower, and also another little small shower just popping up northeast of Los Fresnos along and just north of Highway 100. So a couple of these little showers may get a little bit bigger, but drift their way westward this afternoon. You see also a little shower right there on Highway 48. So there are some small ones out there, but you see how small they are. A couple of little showers also out in the Gulf, but the atmosphere overall not really too unstable or too moist. There's enough moisture, I think, for the sea breeze, but not enough moisture to give us any big downpours or any big storms. Not enough instability for that to whip up. But we'll put the rain chances today on average about 10%, but the highest area, kind of about where the sea breeze boundary is just starting over eastern Cameron and Wilsey counties into parts of the mid and lower valley. And then probably if you're in Starr County, I don't think there will be any showers making it that far west. Maybe we'll be surprised, but probably anywhere in this area from central Hidalgo, from central Hidalgo County toward Wilsey and Cameron counties, your better bets for a small chance for a shower. And Future Track kind of shows that trend this afternoon. See, by 4 p.m. it doesn't have much out there, maybe a little quick shower here and there, but by 7 p.m. skies are already clearing out again and makes way for a fairly clear night. If you want to go out and check out some stars, the moon will be it's a very, very little slither of a moon maybe out there after sunset. But after that, tomorrow is looking pretty dry. A small chance for a shower in the afternoon, again with the sea breeze, but you see Future Track shows almost nothing. Future Track tries to show a little more activity for Sunday. It might be showing just a little more moisture here. You see Sunday does show a flare-up of a couple more showers. May not be quite that numerous, but I think rain chances overall still no more than about 10 or 20%. If you are traveling for the weekend, primarily dry in Laredo and hot, highs over 100 Saturday and Sunday. Corpus Christi mainly in the mid-90s or so with partly sunny skies. San Antonio mainly in the 90s as well, and mostly dry weather, as well as Houston and southeast Texas generally in the low to mid-90s and what should be dry weather. If you are going toward the coast here, highs mainly in the upper 80s at the island. It should be dry over the weekend. Remember, the sea breeze usually starts to form showers inland west of the island, so usually you missed out on the rain with the sea breeze right on the beach and over the Gulf waters and bay waters if you are fishing. Today, 97 for a high, mostly sunny skies, a 10% shower chance, but most of the time looking kind of like you see in that picture. And your First 105 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 97 today, 98 tomorrow and Sunday and Monday, but each day that ranges from near 90 or so along the coast, about 100, 102 in Starr County. It could get a little hotter next week. I think our small rain chances kind of diminish a bit more next week. The breezes pick up a bit, but temperatures might climb a couple degrees higher, so maybe a few more areas right around 100 degrees by the middle of next week. And longer range forecasts kind of say that above normal trend continues. We'll keep tracking your First 105 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon. Dina?